Everyone's still talking about 5G, but the world's biggest tech giants are already building something even more powerful, minus 6G. From eye-powered cities to holographic communication, 6G isn't just another upgrade. It's a whole new era of connectivity. Stick around till the end because I am going to show you how 6G could change your life and when you can actually expect it to arrive. So, what exactly is 6G? In simple terms, it's the sixth generation of mobile network technology, and it's poised to make our current internet speeds look like a dial-up connection. We talking about speeds up to 1 terabit per second, that's around 100 times faster than the absolute peak of 5G. Imagine downloading your favorite movie trilogy in high definition in less than a second, but speed is just the beginning. The real magic of 6G lies in its underlying technology. It will operate on terahertz frequencies, which are much higher than what 5G uses. This allows for massive amounts of data to be transmitted with almost zero delay, or what we call near zero. On top of that, 6G networks will be incredibly intelligent, using AI to manage connections, predict traffic, and even heal themselves to prevent outages. Some researchers are even exploring quantum communication to make these networks unhackably secure. It's not just faster, it's smarter, more reliable, and ready to handle a future we can barely imagine. So what really makes 6G a monumental leap forward? Unlike 5G, which is all about connecting our devices, 6G aims to connect intelligence itself. This blurs the line between the physical and digital worlds in ways that sound like science fiction. Let's break down what that actually means. First, get ready for holographic communication. Instead of a video call on a flat screen, you could have a full 3D projection of a person sitting right across from you, interacting in real time. Think of it as Star Wars level tech in your living room. Then there's the idea of a truly global, seamless society. With near zero latency, real-time language translation could become a reality, eliminating communication barriers instantly. Imagine traveling anywhere in the world and having a conversation as if everyone spoke your language. Beyond personal communication, 6G will be the backbone of hyper-intelligent, smart cities, where traffic lights, public transport, energy grids, and emergency services all communicate with each other to create a safer, more efficient urban environment. And perhaps the wildest concept is the tactile or haptic internet. This technology would allow you to feel textures and physical sensations through your devices. You could feel the fabric of a shirt. Re-shopping for online? Or even shake a colleague's hand from halfway across the world. So, who's actually building this futuristic network? This isn't just a concept in a lab. It's a global race. Countries around the world are pouring billions into research and development, all vying to lead the 6G revolution. Nations like South Korea, China, Japan, and Finland are at the forefront, establishing massive research initiatives and government-backed programs. The United States is also heavily invested, with both public and private sectors pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Tech giants are, of course, leading the charge. Samsung has already established an advanced communications research center dedicated to 6G, and Nokia is heavily involved in projects like HexyX, a European initiative to define the new standard. It's not just a terrestrial effort either. Space agencies and companies are experimenting with satellite-based 6G networks. This could finally solve the problem of digital divides, bringing ultra-fast internet to the most remote corners of our planet, from deep in the jungle to ships in the middle of the ocean. This all sounds incredible, but the big question is, when will we actually get our hands on it? Based on historical patterns of mobile network generations, which tend to arrive every decade or so, experts are pointing towards 2030 as the likely launch year for commercial 6G networks. However, we'll probably start seeing early prototypes and pilot programs as soon as 2028. The transition will be gradual, just like it was from 4G to 5G. But when it does arrive, the devices we use to access it might be completely different. By then, your smartphone might feel like an antique. The future of personal devices could be wearables. Augmented reality glasses that overlay digital information onto the real world. Or even brain-computer interfaces and bio-integrated devices that make the technology an extension of our own body. The phone as we know it could be replaced by something far more intuitive and seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. So, What do you think? Is 6G going to be a game changer that redefines our reality? Or is it just another buzzword for now? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you learned something new today and are as excited about the future as I am, please hit that like button. And do you want to forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do? You want to miss our next deep dive into the technology that is shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.